Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Rulers in PowerPoint can clutter your workspace and hide design elements. They appear along the top and left edges of the slide canvas. Rulers show measurements in inches or centimeters based on regional settings in Windows. Hiding these rulers gives you a cleaner visual area and reduces distraction while designing. It also prevents accidental alignment changes when you drag objects near the edges. You will learn the simple steps to toggle rulers off on both Windows and Mac OS. Follow Open PowerPoint and select the View tab on the ribbon to begin. Locate the ruler checkbox in the Show group on the ribbon near Guides. Click the ruler checkbox once to uncheck it and remove both horizontal and vertical rulers instantly. Alternatively, press Alt, W, R as a keyboard shortcut to toggle the ruler display on Windows systems. The rulers remain hidden until you return to the View tab and recheck that same box manually. This keeps your slide canvas free of measurement lines for cleaner editing. On Mac OS, open PowerPoint and choose the View menu from the top bar. In the View menu, find the ruler option listed near Guides and Grid settings. Click to deselect Ruler and remove the horizontal and vertical rulers from the slide canvas immediately. For quick toggling, press Option, Command, R as a keyboard shortcut to hide or show rulers. The ruler preference persists until you return to the View menu and reselect Ruler again. Use this to simplify your layout view and focus on slide content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.